Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to Monday morning. Womp womp womp. Just getting my morning chai going. I am having such a crazy busy week this week, you guys. It is going to be a nightmare. I have a lot going on, a lot of work to do. There's a lot going on with my client. There's a lot going on with me on my social media. Let's move away from all of this loud noise for a moment. Today's actually been off to a little bit of a slow start, but that's sort of typical for me on a Monday. I'm not good at getting up on Mondays and making it happen. But that's okay because I worked a little bit yesterday to try to get ahead for the week, since as I said, it is going to be really busy. The biggest thing that I have this week is my stereo show. I'm actually doing my first one today, so I don't really know how it's going to be going. But when you are watching this, there's another one also today, like today, on Wednesday, the day that this is live. So come through for another one if you're interested. So I hope that that goes really well. I'm a little nervous for that because I've never really done anything like that before, but I'm sure it'll be really good and easy and fun. We also have another pretty exciting thing happening today. It's something that I've been putting off for a long time, but I finally got a new camera. So obviously, or maybe not obviously, I don't know, but this is not it. This is my current camera, and over this weekend, it totally gave out. I could not get it to turn on or stay on or record. It would just like freeze. It seems to be working okay right now, and I used it a little bit yesterday to get a couple of little clips of things we were doing. So I have this one, and I have a backup camera on standby in the office, but there is a new camera coming today. I upgraded to the Canon M6, which I'm really excited for. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, especially with this sort of like new move back to my main channel, only channel now, because I want to up the quality of my videos a little bit. What is this noise? Oh, it's street cleaners. Okay, anyway, very loud. All right, move along, please. Anyway, it's an upgrade that I really wanted to make, really coming up soon, but I was trying to hold off on it because of the move, and obviously that is a huge expense. You know, movers, paying security deposits, on top of we're buying lots of new stuff constantly. So I was trying to hold off on that expense for as long as I could before upgrading, but clearly my camera had other plans. So we have a new camera coming today, which is gonna be really fun and exciting. Also fun and exciting, yesterday Connor and I put in some big work to the office. So I'll show you. It still is like total shit show in there, but let me just give you a little status update. So this is sort of what it's looking like. Obviously it still is not organized, but all of the boxes are gone except for this one, which is not our box. That belongs to Connor's brother. We're just storing this here for him, and he's gonna ship this to Canada hopefully very soon, like this week or next. But other than that, all of the boxes are completely gone. As you can see, nothing's really organized, but I just wanted to get everything out so that I at least knew what was in there. So we spent a couple hours going through all of that stuff yesterday. It ended up not being too bad, even though it was sort of a pain. It was just a lot of like books and random knick-knacky stuff. So all of that will find a place eventually as our home continues to come together. But I'm really glad that we got all of the boxes out of this room. And I think that there's really only like 2 boxes left in our entire apartment right now. There's one in the living room that just has DVDs in it, and then one in the bathroom that has some random bathroom stuff. And then we are totally done with boxes, which is so exciting. I am very, very glad to be finished with that part of the process. We actually also ordered new bedroom furniture this weekend, so I'm really excited about that. It was supposed to get here this weekend, but now it looks like it won't get here until Monday. Sort of a bummer, but whatever. Obviously not a big deal, but I am so pumped we got a king size bed, and I'm so excited to be upgraded to a king. It's gonna be awesome. So anyway, I think that's everything that I had to tell you guys. I feel like I've been talking to you for a while now, and now I need to get to work. All right, lunchtime. I was really hoping that I'd have my new camera before lunchtime came so that I could film with it, but oh well, here we are. Still with the old guy.
Life is full of disappointments.
I know. At least it's working, because I was like, oh, I don't even know if this camera will work for me for part of the day. So there you go. It is out for delivery. I just don't know when it will actually arrive. But I don't even know what I'm in the mood for lunch. Maybe just a veggie bowl. Our fridge is like too cold, and I haven't been able to figure out how to change the settings. Like it says 38 is recommended. We're at 34.
Yeah, how do we?
No, like, oh my god. Maybe leave it at 40?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's see how that does. Wow, We did it. I'm also thinking that I'm gonna try some of this meatless farm. Do you need to get in here? I'll move.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Some of this meatless farm sausage. It is like breakfast sausage, but I think I can just flavor it to not be like breakfasty. But very intrigued to try this, 100% vegan. So we'll see what the deal is. How do we even make this? I hope it's easy. Yeah, just pan fry. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it looks like all I really have to do with this is just pan fry it in some oil. So it should be pretty easy. Got 3 of them in there. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, let's try a piece of this sausage before we throw it in with everything. Make sure it tastes good. It is yummy. I feel like I sort of want to throw it back in the pan for just another minute or 2 to get slightly crispier, but the taste is really good. I feel like the extra like 2 minutes on the pan with these actually cut up made all the difference. Like I sort of think maybe that's the move. Pan fry them whole, take them off, cut them, and then throw them back in for a couple of minutes because they are looking really, really good now. Just want to throw hot sauce on there. We're good to go. Whoa, good to go. It has been a lot of time, but I've been just crazy working, and then Jackie came over. Because she's helping me with my stereo show today, which I'm very excited for. So I just poured us a glass of wine, naturally. Maybe actually we should pour a little heavy since we're gonna be busy. Just a little heavier.
Busy. Busy.
Yeah, and we're gonna go live here in just a few minutes, which I'm nervous about.
Me too. This is also like your forte. Here's me jumping in.
You'll be great.
Cheers.
Well, everyone, it is many hours later, and Jackie and I finished our stereo live, which was actually really fun. I was really nervous beforehand, to be honest, just because I did not know what it would be like or anything, but ended up being really great. I'm really excited for the next one. I think it's gonna be super fun. So again, that one is going to be live the day that you're seeing this video, if I recall. So, you know, come and check it out if you want. Funny stories from college. I think you'll enjoy it. And very exciting news, my new camera arrived. So we are going to make the switch right now. Should we do maybe like a side-by-side situation? I have not like fully figured out how to, it's got a zoom. Gonna get a lot of office shots.
Oh wow, look at the size.
I know, it's so much bigger than
Very nice.
my current camera. Okay, look at that. Look at that side by side. I'm very excited to look at the quality difference. My like biggest thing with the new camera is just that it's not as good in low light as my old camera was, but that is why I'm keeping both, because I'm just gonna use them in different situations, honestly.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, exactly. Let's make the switch. Wow, new camera. I am not used to this yet. It is so strange, but I'm about to unbox the biggest unboxing you guys have ever seen. I have so much stuff here to open for you. I've been waiting all day for my new camera to arrive so I could do it with the new guy. So I think we're gonna dive in. Yep, bring me the knife. I don't think we have to open this guy right now because it's just curtain rods, but it is from Umbra, so I will show you when I do open it because they were kind enough to send us some stuff. I'm gonna open the rest of the stuff here. We'll probably do curtain rods later this week or over the weekend, knowing us. Okay, oh my gosh, I don't even know. I guess, yeah, let's start with some Umbra stuff.
Full Jill Christmas.
Yeah, this is like Christmas for me. Okay, let's see. So this is from Umbra here. Oh yeah, I have a lot of fun stuff. Oh, I think they sent me some stuff that I didn't even request, which I love. Okay, first up we have, this is sort of funny, it's just a sponge holder for the sink. Wow, in their display is the exact sponge scrubber that we have. That is literally the exact one.
Yeah, we do have that already. And we spent the extra $5 to get the
To get the good one, that's right. And I think this is just like foldable, so you can just fold it up. And then you can sit like your scrubber, your sponge, or whatever you use in there. Next up, it looks like they gave me this little turntable makeup display, all acrylic, which is really nice. It will be very convenient for me because I have not fully figured out my skincare makeup setup yet, so that will be good. And I also had not figured out my jewelry setup. I have no idea how I'm gonna organize it yet, but this will be a great start, if not solution. It's this jewelry holder. It's really pretty. It has this like glass cup at the bottom here, which I absolutely love. Places to hang
it does look nice.
Your necklaces. I think it's gonna be really good, yeah. This is our new trash can.
Ooh.
Oh, it's bigger than I thought it would be.
Ooh.
Wow, look at that.
Looks very nice.
It does look much nicer than our current one. There we go, I feel like that's good. Love it. I feel like it matches the vibe better. The vibes. Big thank you to Umbra for sending us all of these goodies. I really appreciate it. They have so many good things on their website, just like basics for apartments that you might not even think of. Like, when would I have thought of getting this sponge scrubber? Or I mean sponge holder. Probably never. And I'm so happy to have it because I am such like a neat freak about the kitchen sink. So it'll be so nice to just have a little spot for that to go. On to my many Amazon boxes. I just don't know what's in any of this. Oh, Connor's socks.
Yeah.
Here you go, Con. All right, next. Oh my God, this is so much bigger than I thought it would be, and I waited weeks for this to arrive. Oh no. I think I have to return this, so I don't think I'm gonna take it out of its packaging. I wanted to get a little plastic scoop for ice. This is really big. I mean, it's the size of my head.
Wait, what?
The scoop for the ice arrived, but it's too big.
How big?
Look at it.
Yes, no, we love it.
You think we should keep it?
100%.
Okay.
Yeah,
Keep
this
it.
is perfect.
Okay.
Need a little ice? Okay. Need a lot of ice? Okay.
Okay, that's a good point. Good for multiple uses, I suppose.
No, this is gonna be perfect, honestly.
Okay, great. All right, there we go.
Jill, I love you getting all these practical things that like, I'd just be like, okay, I'll get it later.
Yeah.
And then never get.
I know. I have this, I didn't tell you this.
What?
I have this irrational fear that really does not relate to ice like we're talking about, but just about ice in general, that like I'll get stuck to it and it'll rip my skin off.
Yeah, but it's gotta be really cold.
I know.
And
But I get the little bit of that feeling when I'm pulling ice out of there. You've never noticed that?
oh, where it sticks to your hand.
Yeah, where it like sticks a little when you're grabbing it with your hand.
Well, yeah, you can't let your.
Also like dirty,
if you
you're
have your
touching on the
hand in
ice.
there for a minute, Jill, it'll be like stuck.
Shut up, stupid. Next, another something for me, mini pampas grass. I have a little DIY project planned for my nightside table, and it involves pampas grass, so I got some. Okay, next, new utensils. Very excited about this, actually. I actually think Tara got this exact same kit. I'm pretty sure that she has this. We desperately need new utensils, both of us, and so I'm pretty pumped about this.
Yeah, those look nice too.
Yeah, they're really nice. They have like wood handles, but plastic ends, so they really won't damage any of your pots or pans. And it's a huge set. There's a lot of stuff in here. And they look sort of nice and trendy too, which I appreciate always. I don't know what's in this because it came in a weird box. Oh, I do know. This is actually part of the DIY. I'm only gonna open one of these because this is too much trouble. But this is a set of 5 small glass vases, and they all have really unique sizes and designs, which are so pretty. So I want to keep some as is, and then for some of them, I want to paint them with like matte tan paint. And I think the last box, we gone through it already? I can't believe it. Feels like I spent so much money and then it's not enough. Ooh, I'm very excited about the stuff in here. So first up, I got us this bowl for our kitchen to hold like all of our produce that doesn't go in the fridge. Avocados, tomatoes.
Strong pickup, Jill.
Thank you, it's pretty nice, right?
Sorry, I didn't mean to be loud.
That's okay, it's fine. I like the hype. And then the last thing I got, I think I told you guys, in our bedroom, sort of under the table that holds the TV, I want to put a basket under there for some extra like pillows and blankets and stuff like that. And so I ordered this one. I got like an instruction email from them because it does come all folded, but it is quite big. But I guess it can hold the creases obviously because it's been folded for a while. They basically suggested just opening it up and stuffing it full of stuff. That way it can like get its shape back. Just a simple like white and brown. Okay, I'm gonna have to see with this. It actually is so much bigger than I thought it would be. So I don't know. I do like it though. Like I can probably find a different place for it if I can't put it where I want.
What is this?
So it's just a big basket, and I thought it would be good to go in our bedroom to hold like extra pillows and blankets and stuff.
Yeah, I think that'd be good.
And it's sort of cute and pretty.
I would love the look of it.
Right? Isn't it really pretty? I really like it.
I think it's gonna be good.
I agree. Now that I've seen it, I think it will be good as well. I can't wait for my next vlog that I film with this when I can play around more with this Zoom situation.
I'm really liking the look of this camera.
Me too. Yeah, let me show you guys. I ended up getting the silver instead of the black, which I'm actually glad that I did. So the black would have been like all black up here, but I got it with silver, which I think is sort of cool. Connor and I got Chipotle for dinner. We really did not have any plans to order in, but then all of a sudden it was 9 p.m. So we went for ordering in. It's not ideal, but whatever. It is what it is.
We're gonna cook the rest of the meals this week.
Okay, here we are, ending the vlog on the new camera for the first time. I'm so excited to get to actually look at this footage on my computer so I can get like a full vibe of what it looks like. But very excited to have a new toy to play with. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I feel like it was very low-key, like I didn't really vlog that much, but maybe I did, I don't know. I feel like there was just a big like break in the middle of the day because I was just like crazy working, and then we did the stereo live, and then we were hanging out with Jackie for a little bit. So anyway, I hope you still enjoyed it anyway. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on Friday.